Hi friends, in this video let us discuss some points about the aspect of fear, how a business leader can benefit by understanding fear and what role it plays in your professional and personal life, and what are the various aspects and impacts of it, and how you can use it for your benefit. I'm a holistic wellness coach and I make videos related to business, and I work as a pharmacist in a famous chain of medical stores. I discuss various aspects which are helpful and relevant to business, which help for professional growth and personal growth. I worked in various fields in my past, so several years. Based on my past experiences, so I share and uh, see what are the benefits, my understandings that will help others from business aspect, professionally and personally. If you want to discuss anything further, you can contact me for personally, and please watch my other videos related to business and professional and personal growth, holistic wellness in my playlist, business related topics in my channel. And I encourage you to subscribe my channel and like them, watch other videos, share those videos to others whom you feel are helpful. Coming to the present topic of the day, we all have observed in our movies like fear, I don't have fear in my blood, all these things, but those are cinematic dialogues. Trust me, fear has its impact both negatively and positively. It will paralyze you from taking decisions if you are having excessive fear, and if it will make you careless, negligent, and inefficient, impolite, etc. if you don't have any fear. So let us discuss in between these extremes of fear and how can you benefit from that understanding of the fearness in your life. So when you have some fear, like you may fail or you may not able to be present properly, so you give more time on understanding preparedness of the me for the meeting or for the exam or for a business, so to avoid failure. So that fear of that failure helps you make you better prepared for the event, and the chances of making it success will increase. Even you are taking a loan or license or running a business or a company or a meeting, so well preparedness helps you. It will help you do not make yourself a fool before others, and you will don't you do not waste time of yours and others. So that is an important aspect that will help you. Since I am a holistic wellness coach, I always see the angle from the health aspect and mental aspect also. And if you don't fear of your future, you will become careless and you will neglect your health, sleep, your relationships with others. You will take wrong decisions. So these are negative things which you will just fall into, and once you take negative decisions, wrong decisions, they will create further problems. To clear those problems, you have to work harder. You have to spend more times, more money. In my organization, they hired few people who are not having interest, who don't have proper knowledge, and because of them, we had to uh, is, they are doing wrong billing, improper billing, and they are misusing the resources. So we had to pay extra money, and all the training given for them, that time is lost. It's a waste of resources for the company, and even for the other people, colleagues, we had to work extra to sort out the mess created by them, and we have to give money also to clear those shards. So you should have fear and carefulness while hiring people, handling them, understanding their ego, attitude. If you just unnecessarily, uh, some customers, I have some customers, if we just irritate their ego, they will just unnecessarily create more problems. We may lose we may lose them, the customers also. So we should be balanced. Fear of losing the client. So only deal as much as needed. Either it is a customer or your boss, superior or colleague. When there is some problem, we have to. There should be some fear. Like we cannot lose the customer or the client. At the end of the day, unless it is becoming some trouble, so or else you have to be careful and cautious. If you don't have fear of your finances, you will use credit card recklessly and ignore payments on time and have penalties, ignore payment, be paying bills, and all these unnecessary things you will incur extra burden, which is not at all beneficial or heavy. Uh, will end up spending money on unnecessary things. You should have fear of your future, taking care of your future planning for your family, unnecessary spending of life, expenditure to maintain a rich lifestyle, to just to show off before others, around your colleagues and relatives. You will just spend on things which are unnecessary. So you should be cautious and spend on things which are essential for your financial security, for your financial present to maintain your lifestyle. Should have that financial fear, and only you will spend wisely that money, invest, save, and spend your money wisely. Health wise also, health wise, if you don't uh, fear of losing health, you'll end up uh, in long term chronic and acute diseases or poor health, not maintaining. You take regular health checkups. You will invest in life insurance, term policies for your family, for yourself, accidental insurance, all these things. Many people don't maintain them, and you will start early because you will have less premiums. You should have some fear of your health and security. It will help in the long term. It is not waste of money. When you start early, your premiums also will be very less in the long term. There are some plans which mix both health and investment policies. So choose them carefully. In today's world, new technologies are coming rapidly, artificial intelligence, machine learning, all these things. So if you don't fear of your future, you will be outdated and you may lose your job. There are many companies uh, they're planning to uh, remove layoffs, preparing for layoffs, because there are machines and softwares which are able to do 10x for 20x times a single person work. Definitely, many people are going to lose jobs. So don't be careless and reckless and ignorant, and be fearful and start learning some new technologies related to your field or other field within your company or other company. Be prepared to secure your future. Invest in your company softwares in your company. Build a long term plan for the company, getting related to clients, new projects. So what will be the next 3 months, 1 quarter or 1 year, 5 years, like that? What is the going impact on your business and your company? What are the new changes coming? in your field, in other field. So this preparedness and awareness helps you avoid unnecessary stress, unnecessary fears. When you are stressed, your anxiety builds, it will become fear. It will, generate fear, because you will be in a position where you are unable to take proper decisions. You are not able to bear the losses. So preparedness is always very important. Keep observing, have common sense, and learn to take minimum risks, just to understand what is your risk potential, or else you will end up in taking big decisions, wrong decisions, and it will create a lot of fear and stress, professionally and personally. Understanding and communicating properly with others. So don't keep open up to everyone. Don't keep telling your secrets, or keep, no need to open up to every person all your things. So know the limitations, the client, the colleague, everyone. It will helps you uh, reduce your miscommunication. Like if you, someone may ask you, if you don't do the things I want, I am going to reveal your secrets or something, etc. So you'll be in a position to compromise, or you have to do some spend extra time or do some hard work. All these things may happen. People may expect from you more without understanding what are your limitations or what are your strengths. It will create a lot of stress. So know your limitations, understand their expectations. So give clarity if needed. Companies always want to make you work more and more, mostly in the today competitive world. So they will create some targets, some work pressures. You see how much you can take, how much you stress, or all these things you can take, or else you will end up fearing losing your job and losing your health. All these things needed, try from alternative income sources, or reduce your uh, needs, necessities, expectations. Some people, out of fear of rejection, they end up taking extra load, burnout, become stress, end up doing unnecessary things, or commit for, like, give guarantee in a bank loan or some house loan. They end up losing their own property, or paying extra money. So these may things happen. You have to be careful and understand what things going on around, observing that clarity. Oh, if you observe some things, which yesterday I watched a video where a person took some loan from unknown person, which means a relative's friend. They took for some marriage of their daughter, and they signed GP agreement, something related to registration, and they are fighting case for 2 crore property now. So just understanding those things will help you avoid taking extra money, unnecessary money, or giving extra money, or, how to maintain proper contracts, whom to approach, having proper lawyer, proper doctor, proper counselor, and proper guide, mentor. All these things help you become successful and avoid unnecessary risks. If you fear more, sometimes you may lose some great opportunities. You don't know which opportunity is good, which is viable. You don't take any risk, and don't understand what are the changes coming out in the market. You will end up losing great opportunities. Your competitor may go uh, above you, increase the market share. You may end up losing your clients and market. You have to keep observing what the competitor is doing, what are the changes coming in the market, etc. We will avoid unnecessarily stress and fear in the long term. If you fear of losing money, you will end up keeping the money idle. There are many people who have a lot of money, and out of fear of like losing money, they just keep it somewhere in the house or in the bank with a limited interest, even the companies. So the part of it has to be invested in some areas like share market or some other real estate or something where you can make it grow and work for you and create more opportunities, more resources. So keep understanding and don't just out of fear of losing, don't keep the money idle. Some people they may have so many creative ideas, new campaigns, new methods of doing things, new methods of increasing their market productivity or increasing productivity or increasing market share. Out of fear of all these things, they may lose their creativity of failure, fear of failure. They just don't use their creativity or resources and end up losing all these benefits, and they lose the market share and growth also. They lose the growth opportunities. So don't lose your creativity. Sometimes when you are unable to take decision because of fear of unawareness or undecisiveness, you just keep on procrastinating and postponing things, so things get delayed. Rather try yourself and understand what are the risks that may happen, and then you will have some clarity, or take some guidance, some help, some mentor related to your problem. No one will be 100% perfect. So what is your problem? Who is the correct person who can guide you? That's it. And take that help and avoid procrastination. So that's it in brief in this video about fear aspect. And if you want to discuss further, you can approach me personally. We can discuss relate to, if you feel some there are things which you can benefit with our discussion. I am a holistic wellness coach and I work as a pharmacist in a chain of medical stores. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share to those people who you feel the videos are necessary. And please do watch other videos in my channel in the business related topics. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Now I think you have better understanding of the aspect of fear, and know that you can use the fear aspect for your growth and reduce losses in your business and personal life, and help you maintain a balanced life and professional growth and personal growth. Wish you all the best.